looking device in my hand. It's the LCR T4 component tester, a pocket-sized tool that claims to take the guesswork out of the testing resistors, capacitors, transistors, and more. But does it actually work? Let's put it to the test. The T4 is compact, runs on a 9-volt battery, and has a simple 3-pin socket, a display, and a test button. No fancy buttons, just one. Just turn it on, plug in a component and press the button. It auto detects what you got. Let's test some components with it. I am going to test these components with the T4 LCR tester. So first of all, I am going to plug in a resistor. So it says it's 45 kilo ohms. It is actually a 47 kilo ohms resistor, but this is fairly accurate. Now I have two transistors. Let's see what they are. This right here is an NPN transistor. The first pin is the emitter, the second pin is the collector, and the third is the base. Let's test the other one. So this is a PNP transistor. Now let's test this capacitor. It's a 1000 microfarad capacitor. The tester says it's 1178 microfarads. Mind that you have to discharge the capacitor before testing it. Now let's test this LED. So it says that it's a diode, so LED is a diode, and it also gives the voltage of the LED. And let's test this one. As you can see, it's a MOSFET. It's an N-channel MOSFET. Also, it gives the threshold voltage of the MOSFET. Now let's test this inductor. As you can see, it has 0.3 ohms resistance and 0.12 millihenry inductance. And this is how to calibrate the LCR T4 tester. So while calibrating, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of this device. So let's start with the pros. It's fast, dirt cheap, and idiot proof. No manuals needed, just plug and play. Perfect for hobbyists, breadboarding circuits, or sorting through a junk bin. It even tests diodes and inductors. So now let's talk about the cons. You can't expect lab grade precision with this, and tiny assembly parts need adapters, and it won't analyze complex ICs. Also, the auto cutoff feature can be annoying if you are slow. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. For under 15 bucks, this is a no-brainer for tinkerers. Not perfect, but it will save you hours of multimeter guesswork. If you work with electronics, grab one. There is a link down below in the description. So, if you have used the T4 before, let me know in your thoughts below. Like, subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching and keep making stuff.